As we head into the 4th of July weekend, things will look a lot different around Central Texas. Good evening to you. I'm Sydney Benter.
I'm Alex Capriello, in tonight for Robert Hadlock. Governor Greg Abbott is cracking down on outdoor gatherings with 10 people or more. And starting at noon tomorrow, every Texan must wear a mask or a facial covering in public.
The governor's mandate applies to all counties where there are more than 20 active cases of the coronavirus. KXAN's Jennifer Sanders explains the order and how it'll be enforced.
As COVID-19 tightens its grip on the state of Texas, Governor Greg Abbott is now changing course.
If you wear a face mask and everybody else is wearing a face mask, it pretty much eliminates the transmission of COVID-19.
His statewide mask mandate in public spaces starts Friday. Outdoor groups are also limited to 10 or less unless a group gets approval from local authorities. Restrictions that some feel should have happened earlier.
It's worse than it ever was before, right? And then everything loosened up, and this should have been happening a month ago, right? So it's about time. Sadly, I don't know if I think it's kind of too late now.
Law enforcement agencies are tasked with enforcing this mandate, but with recent protests, an uptick in crime, and officers testing positive for COVID-19, they simply don't have the resources.
It's been well documented that we're well over 180 officers short right now. And, we're talking about the defunding, and the city manager was very clear that he wanted to cut 100 bodies from the budget.
As they see a huge spike in emergency calls, they want people to call 311 instead of 911 to report someone not wearing a mask. Under the mandate, law enforcement will give a verbal warning first, but after that, you could face up to a $250 fine, but no jail time. Governor Abbott just hopes that this will get the virus under control.
So what can we do to slow the spread of the coronavirus while still allowing people to go back to work, to earn a paycheck? Doctors say the best thing that we can do is for people to wear face masks.
In Austin, Jennifer Sanders, KXAN News.
There are exceptions to the mask mandate, which include eating at restaurants, children under the age of 10, worshipers, and anyone at the pool or the lake. Poll workers and voters are also encouraged to wear a mask, although they're not entirely required to. And in response to the new order, Travis County Judge Sam Bisco says there will not be a permitting process for outdoor gatherings of 10 or more, at least through this weekend. So all those gatherings are banned in the unincorporated areas of Travis County.
The state reported fewer new coronavirus infections today than yesterday. We had a record yesterday with more than 8,000. Today, it was just shy of that. But our average is now the highest it's been, almost 6,300 cases. The state reports almost 500 more people are hospitalized with COVID-19 than yesterday. The total is 7,300. This graph shows an overview of cases. Active cases are purple. Those are still increasing. They're almost at the same level as recovered cases. There is a full breakdown for you on our website, KXAN.com.